In this video, I'm going to teach you how to check in online on the Turkish Airlines. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I'm going to teach you how to do this process through the Turkish Airlines mobile app. When you open up the app and you sign in using your credentials, the first thing that you should see is the Book a Flight option and below it, Check In. Click Check In, and what you should do is switch over to the PNPRE ticket number and include your reservation code and your sign name. When you include this information, you will be able to save your ticket and see all the details about it. On the next step, find your ticket once again and click Complete Check-in at the bottom. After you select Complete Check-in, you will have to pick your seats, and if everything looks in order after you select the corresponding seats, on the last step you will have the option to create your boarding pass or buy additional services like hotels or other stuff related to your flight. In that window, click Create Boarding Pass if you want to confirm your details, and when you create your boarding pass, you will be able to access it on your phone and have it scanned when you are ready to enter the flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in on the online Turkish Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.